If you want to know 2 cheaper ways for lead generation, you don't want to miss out on this 2-part series on how to generate leads for cheap. Hello, my name is Jason Hopkins. I want you to be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit the bell notification so that you're not going to miss out on any future content. Now, what you need to do, focus all your efforts on using Facebook to brand yourself, and also you want to be clear on who your target audience is, who your target market is, and you want to be continuing to give value to your audience. Share with them some valuable tips and some strategies that you might have learned on your journey. Now, you don't want to give away too much. Just give them just a little so that they keep coming back for more. Next thing you want to do is you want to start creating a Facebook group. Now, doing this, you're going to be building your audience, and also while they're in the group, you want to be giving away something for free that's going to, get them to opt in. Things like a lead magnet. Now, a few lead magnets can be like a free report, or maybe an ebook, or a checklist on how to do something that you are helping them out with. Now, this is not only cheaper and it doesn't cost much, but it's free. It's totally free. You want to create valuable content in either in your personal Facebook page, and then you want to repurpose that same content into your Facebook group. You want to find out what your audience is struggling with. The goal is to turn their pain into pleasure. Facebook, it gets so much traffic, it's insane. There's so many people on Facebook. So this method costs you this time. That's all it costs you. If you do this every day, if you do this daily, then you're going to start seeing leads coming in. Now, stay tuned for part 2 of this video this week. And if you got any value from this, give this video a thumbs up, and also leave a comment below. Then hit that bell notification for more of my content. And if you would like to know my #1 recommended program, you want to click the link in the description box below this video. And from there, you're going to be directed to a page where you're going to put your name and your email. I'm Jason Hopkins. Thanks for stopping by, and I will see you in the next video.